Hi, welcome to Cooking Spot. Let's make a delicious potato dish today. We will need 150 grams of rice flour, 200 grams of potatoes, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, salt as needed, a tablespoon of cumin seeds, green chilli, onion, coriander leaves, and water. To start, put some water in a pan and let it heat up. Add salt and chili flakes and mix well. Gradually add the rice flour while stirring constantly to avoid lumps. Keep the mixing until a dough forms. Turn off the stove and transfer the dough to another bowl. Now add coriander leaves, onion, green chili and cumin seeds to the potato mixture and stir well. Thinly spread the mixture onto a cutting board and shape it into the desired shape. Next, fry the potato bites until they turn golden brown. Once they are ready, take them out of the pan. And there you have it. Your delicious potato bites are ready to be served. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to see more recipes like this. We hope to see you again with another tasty recipe.